statue has kept me cooped up for too long. Oh, it feels good to stretch my drills like this. Suck this disc! Time for the snack! That's the best you got? That one hits harder than you. You think that hurts? It does hurt a bit. That's fine, you got me, sure. That's the best you got? Come on, more!
You're good to go.
Yep. I thought I saw Sleazy. You're the bounty hunter who killed Douglas, right? Oh, I'm gonna love drilling a hole in your head. You can't beat me. I got more left in me. It's Virgo time, baby.
Honestly, how do you even do anything with drills for hands? How do you eat? Right. Look, I'm not judging. I don't have any hands at all. I actually don't even know why I'm barking up this tree.
Surprise, Jagger! It's fine to admit if you're getting scared. Eat shit, you jagoff! Now honestly, bring it on. I can take it. I don't feel pain, but I did feel that bullet. It did feel good.
You don't scare us.
What's up?
Right in your fucking...
I'm not gonna let you fucking kill me. Just one little Virgo to help me get my energy back up.
You think we can't beat a boring pencil pusher like you? You spend all your time behind a desk. I bet you can't fight for shit.
Time to bring it all down. How dare you fuck with me when you don't do a job that had you do paperwork, you asshole! Special delivery boys!